Ang nangyari, yung pangalan na ginagamit doon sa mansyon, Melvin Matibag. Pero kung sana nag-research man lang sana bago nilabas nung news company, nilabas kasi nila ginagamit na content ngayon eh. No? So nilabas nila, hindi without fact-checking, hindi mo na tinanong, ang dali namang i-check, which is ako chinek, andirito yung dokumento, isang folder yan, kung sino yung may-ari talaga. It so happen, ang pangalan talaga ng may-ari, Melvin Matibag, but his name is Melvin Behosano Matibag, who is married to Ana Marie Laman. So nilabas ngayon ni Sasot, pinik up naman itong isang news network, ginamit na news, yung naging news network, yun naman ngayon yung ginagamit ng mga nagko-content. And I think, in fairness naman dun sa media network na yun, kinorek na nila ilang beses, although kulang eh. Because they can say na nag-research eh. We made the research, hindi naman pala talaga itong Melvin Matibag na ito. In fairness also to the owner. Kasi you can just imagine kung merong mga salbahe ron at akala sa amin talaga yung property na yun, puntahan yung bahay, di ba? Salbahihin yun, di ba? I-vandalize. Kawawa rin naman yung tao na yun. So, ganun yung nangyari dyan. And I categorically deny, wala kaming properties sa abroad. Yung properties namin are all declared on my SALN. And you can get the copy of my SALN. Nandiyan dyan naman yan. Nandun lahat yan. So, sa akin dyan, the reason for that news is to impeach my credibility as a witness, which is totally unrelated sa aking testimonya. Because again, what I testified is something that is already on record sa NBI. Naman tayong sinabi doon na hindi naman record ng NBI eh. So what they're trying to establish, hearsay, dahil hindi pa ako NBI noon. That is totally wrong. Because exception to hearsay rule is kung ako ang custodial ngayon, being the NBI director, I can testify on documents turned over to me by my predecessors. So ganun lang po yung nangyari dyan. And there's the document, one folder yan. Kung sino may-ari, andyan yung deed. And even assuming if it's true that that property, just for the sake of argument, na yung property na yan ay talagang binili namin, anong sabi dun sa news? Dun sa fake news na nilalabas? It was acquired by this Melvin Matibag and Ana Marie Laman when? 2004. Mali na kagad eh. Hindi pa nga kami magkakilala ng asawa ko noong 2004 eh. Oh. Pero that's very odd talaga. Kaya minsan, yung mga makikitid yung utak, I don't want to brand what group is that, sabihin na kagad, palusot lang yan. But you check the records, it will bear you out. Very odd kasi 1 in a billion chance, isipin mo, Melvin Matibag pangalan niya. He's 57 years old, living in Stevenson Ranch, yung sinasabing lugar. Ang asawa niya, Ana Marie ang pangalan. And my wife's name is Ann. Maria Reni Ann Lourdes G. Matibag. So this is totally fake news. So I abhor this kind of behavior na dapat naman, nandito naman yung news network na, siguro naman you have to do something about it. Or otherwise, I will be the one doing something about it. Ganun lang kasimple yun. So let's be all responsible. And clear, kitang-kita yung motibo to impeach my testimony. And you be the judge how I testified during the trial. You can be a senator judge one time na sabihin nyo, how did I testify? Simple lang.